Welcome to Dorman Products GM key fob installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered easy and no prior car knowledge is needed. The estimated amount of time required to complete this installation is 5 minutes. We recommend reading all instructions prior to attempting programming. To begin the installation process, please close all doors. Insert key into vehicle ignition and turn key to on position without starting the vehicle. Insert programmer into OBD port, which is located under the steering column near the pedals. Once inserted, the programmer will beep and you will see the message "Remote Key Learning Active" appear in the Driver Information Center screen of your dash. Next, press down the lock and unlock button of the remote at the same time for 30 seconds or until you hear the programmer beep. Then, turn key off and remove from ignition. Lastly, remove programmer from the OBD port and test all remotes.